Good evening, friends. Just on the eve of leaving his office and at the end of his term, US Secretary of State Mr. Mike Pompeo declared that genocide of Uyghurs is going on and taking place in People's Republic of China. Well and good. And the whole world knows that genocide is taking place, and we are knowing it since so many years, and especially in past 2 or 3 years. Everybody knows that. But finally, United States has officially declared it that genocide is happening there, and it's good on the part of human rights. But I will say that he has taken a right direction at wrong time. And why I am saying this thing? Because such a declaration by United States is not a legal documentation. It's not a legal procedure. If you are declaring that such a such country is committing genocide, it's a political act. It's not a legal act, and it can help you to garner bipartisan support in Congress and Senate. It can definitely pursue other countries to declare the same and put pressure on that country which is committing genocide on its population and repressing all kind of human rights. But still, it is not a legal work. It can pursue the United States Senate and Congress for targeted sanctions. It can pursue them to use force at time, but still, it's just a political statement and not a legal work. So when it is not in a legal framework, I will say that doing this on the 11th hour while leaving your office will give ammunition to China. That Trump administration was anti-China, so in the last hours they declared that genocide is taking place. And somehow it gives lubrication to the machinery of lie and propaganda by the communist regime of Beijing to pursue the propaganda that this is not happening here and this is done because America is the enemy number one and Trump administration was damn against China. So in the last hour they did it. And prior US administrations, they have made declarations of genocide in 5 cases. Number one, it was in Bosnia, followed by Rwanda, the Anfal campaign in Iraq, then Darfur and ISIS attacks on Yazidis. And this definitely catalyzes public and congressional support for measures ranging from targeted sanctions to humanitarian interventions. But it would have been better that instead of just saying all these things, he would have left files and documentations and publicly declared that okay, we have done all the documentation of human rights violation by the communist regime of Beijing against the Uyghurs, and we are giving all these documents to the upcoming Joe Biden's administration. So it would have been actually pressurize the Joe Biden's administration to take firm action against China. But what happens when he is commenting these things that genocide is taking place on the eve of his departure from his office? It gives it a political hue rather than humanitarian cause. But still, I will say, though at inappropriate time, but an appropriate action has been taken, at least in terms of words, and More will depend upon how the upcoming Joe Biden administration will pursue it. And I think the Republicans must make pressure upon the Joe Biden administration to take firm and strong action against People's Republic of China. Thank you.